To be able to add your image pool to your community post, your community tab on your channel on YouTube, you just need to watch this video until the end. So make sure that you're logged in with the necessary account, as am I. You can log it with other page. So now we just need to add our community post. So go to our channel, then go to the community, and here we can see some image pool right up here. Add an image pool, click on it. The first step is just need to add some images, this one, and just write the option one is the, then choose the second image and write something also. Yes. We can also add option, the third one. So everything is done and we just need to click on post, but we cannot. Why? Because we need to add something in your question. So who is better? Now we can post it or just schedule. So click on the post. So everything is done. We can choose something. I would like to choose 3.